This is the SEAFLO 33 series 115 volt water pressure pump. 3.3 gallons per minute. Included with the pump is an intake strainer and two 1/2 inch barb fittings for your inlet and outlet pipes. Here we have the AC version of the SEAFLO 33 series, which uses a standard house plug. So we'll plug that in, 115 volts. And the pump starts. Full flow, 3.3 gallons per minute. And the pump stops when you turn off the faucet because it's an on-demand pump. Full flow, 3.3 gallons per minute. And off. The 33 series is a 3-chamber diaphragm pump. Open and shut.